Okay, so today I've been making the slats from 3mm plastic card. Well, it's not plastic card, it's actually cladding plastic, which I found in a skip. I found three sheets of it, in fact, which, in triangles and stuff. They're not exactly rectangle sheets, but they're enough to, get the parts I need. So I've just been sort of trying to see what I can do with just rudimentary tools just to make the slats, because free mill plastic card is quite difficult to cut, because it's not plastic card, it's some kind of weird styrene plastic. I don't know, but it's just very hard to cut. It's probably 4mm actually, I don't know, but anyway. So the only way to cut them really is to score the plastic with a scribe, a bit like this one. Well, this is actually a compass, but you just need a sharp object and a straight rule thing, and then you just, once you've measured up your parts, you can then basically scribe like so. Do that for like 10 times kind of thing, and just apply pressure when you're doing it, so it kind of really just comes off. And then once you've done it 10 times or 20 times, actually if you do 20 times, it'll probably be enough to break on an angle. So like if I bend it now, it should break. Like that. Okay. And just a bit of bendiness, and comes apart. And then you just clean up the edges, and that's it. The beauty of this plastic is it's got a film sheet on the back, which will protect it. So basically I can use that side, which is just as well. I was quite fortunate that it still had the film sheet on the back, so it's not completely scratched up from being chucked in a skip. So I can basically use that side to paint and have the shiny side out, and any missed scratches I've done on the back won't matter so much. But that's it. So I've done a bunch of those, just doing that method. It's very hard to cut with a pair of scissors, so it's just easier to use scribes and basically brute force bending them on an angle. Just need to make a few more, and then that's all the slats made. I've just got to drill the holes. That's why these lines are here. I don't know if you can see the lines, but there's a line there and there's a line there. So each one has a line where the rivet holes are supposed to go. And then basically, I'd rivet, or whatever, put a rivet in the hole in the middle here and in the middle there. So that's basically it. The next headache is actually trying to cut out the collars, because although this is very thick plastic and ideal for making collars and slats, it's just, like I say, it's very hard to cut with a pair of scissors, and trying to scribe all these. Just to cut these out took like an hour, just to cut out a few of them. So I imagine trying to cut out 4 collars which curve is going to be even harder. It may take hours, I don't know. But just gotta crack on and stop whinging.